Hi guys, it's Katie from Gone Exploring, and I'm at our lake where we go fishing. My mom's got a nice camper up here. I'm not gonna tell you where it's at. I'm not gonna tell you my secrets. Um, but right now they're up at the big lake. I'm over by the waterfall. I just came to actually shoot a video. Oh, and now it's getting all blurry. Great. I don't know why it's getting blurry on me, but you know what? Let me get out my recorder just in case. I'm gonna make my way over by the rocks and sit and do a recording. Okay. Alright. It's focusing. Okay. Gonna make my way over here. Oh, you know what? Instant with me that way. Will stay away from me. Although I've got tons of bug spray on me. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're making headway here. I see where we're going. I'm not watching out my camera, guys, so sorry if I'm not exactly. That's just my incense smoke. And now it won't focus again. What is going on? Focus. Alright, well, I'm gonna sit here. Oh, shit. You know what I just thought about? I seen a water snake in here yesterday. Not, well, in this particular area. But I don't know why it's all blurry, guys. It's not me. I'm gonna go back over there and sit on that bench where I know there's no snakes and where I know there's gonna be no poison ivy. God dang it. Alright. It's always a lot easier getting in than it is getting out. Woo! That was a wobbly rock. Woohoo! Okay, we're almost there. I don't know what is going on. Let me give us something to focus on here, maybe. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's a wobbly rock. Hey-oh, nothing better pop out at me. Okay. Okay. Made it. It's definitely not the way I came because we did not go over this. Okay. So, nothing is getting... No, I'm getting no bites back here. They're apparently... Hold on. Apparently, it's all these damn bugs. Okay, I am recording. If there is anybody here with me who would like to say anything, you can go ahead and speak into my recorder. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Sorry guys, I got a new tripod. I'm still working on, you know, focus. I'm expecting my husband at any moment to come up here and scare the shit out of me. Give me a second, guys. I'm just trying to get this worm off the hook. And then I need to wash my hands in the water. try to give you guys a nice view of the waterfall, but it's not really. They messed it up. I don't know what they were thinking. Like, they thought maybe it was going to be more of a rumbling waterfall, but no. I think they jammed it too much up there. And I looked underneath the bridge up there. There's a whole bunch of algae and shit clogging it. So no shit that there's no. And I don't see no frogs around here because best believe I am a frog hunter. I grab them with my hands. That's a whole nother video. Just drying off my hands, guys. That. We're not leaving just yet. Now. Oh, told you he'd be coming to scare me any minute now. Just gonna catch me sitting down. Figured he'd be coming. What do you want? Huh? Oh. Oh, I was fishing and then You're not on camera.
You pointed it right at me.
I was fishing, getting nothing from in here, so I decided to do a little video. And just recording a lot of bugs.
Oh.
Now I'm coming back up.
Is there dangerous back there? Cougars.
No, coyotes.
I heard one.
No, you didn't.
I ain't heard werewolf.
How do you go?
It sounded just like that.
Very scary or just?
No, it's like a baby werewolf.
Oh, that's nice.
It's not focused.
That's because sometimes they say when your camera doesn't focus, it means that there's spirits around. Yep. And there goes the walk off. Yep. I'm coming up. I'll stop this recording. We'll go over it when I get back home. Okay. You could have took my pole for me. Nothing. Oh, I'll get it. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to tune in next time, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And I'll see you in the next one.
There's the wall. Whoa, hello.